back. So today we're gonna be putting some gas in. I got a little treatment bottle here because I don't really feel like taking the gas that's in there out, and I know it runs fine on it, so it can't be that bad. So we're gonna put that in as a precaution, and hopefully get this thing running around the block. There's almost no gas in it, and this is only 2 gallons, so I'll have to get around the neighborhood, but not anywhere near enough to fill it. Look how busted up these connections are. They're bad. That's a negative one. This terminal, oh my goodness. Like someone ate it. So we got some new ones, we're gonna put those on. So I have the battery out, and this wire this blue one loops back around, and you can see right here, this is the blue wire, and it goes into the firewall along with the red one, and I gotta find out where the heck they both went inside the car. First things first, I'm just gonna wipe down everything. Look at that, oh, it looks better. All these wires, crusty. Look at that, already we're starting to see some pretty good results just wiping this down. This is just water with dish soap in it. Nothing special. Also gonna remove the intake because it's kind of nasty. I want to make sure that the filter is clean. I'm gonna blow it out with the compressor. I just realized this is a real K&N filter. Someone spent the big bucks for it. Damn. I didn't even see that until... That's crazy. So obviously we have some modifications done to this barn find. Let's get back to cleaning. The battery's all in. We got the negative and the positive connected. They're all good. The new terminals look beautiful. I sanded the insides because they were painted. And yeah. Let's go see if she starts up. Oh. Oh, we have some lights. That's always good. Oh, airbags. Oh, no. Almost no fuel. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo! She runs. So it runs, but I'm having trouble putting the shifter into any kind of gear while it's running. It goes fine. Let's try it one more time. Okay. Alright, emergency brake is on. Luckily there's no check engine lights or airbag lights or anything. Reverse idling. My foot is in. It's into like the floor, but it's not. First, second, third, fourth, nothing. So, unfortunately, could not get it driving around the block, but we did get it running, which is a good thing. And we also got a new battery and cleaned it up a little bit because it was gross. We also are gonna do the trunk next video, and that is real gross. There's a ton of stuff in there. I don't even know what's in there. I'm kind of afraid to go in there, but we're gonna go in there together and see what's good and there's a lot of trash in there. So I'm gonna have to diagnose this transmission issue that it's having. Maybe it's a clutch problem. I think it is. So stay tuned for next video with the trunk, and in a couple videos probably the transmission, because I want to get this thing running as soon as possible. So stay tuned.